So this call had something to do with trespassing. Block the whole
You gotta blur my face, sir, because I'm underage. Hope you know that. I fucking hate you. You have to blur
That's not
both our
true.
faces, sir. We're underage.
That's not true.
I don't care if it's true or not. I still hate people like you.
Okay.
So what's up with the paperwork?
Yeah, I'm gonna get you guys out of here in a second, okay? You can just sign this CD.
Isn't your whole job just to like fuck with them?
No, I like her. She's cool. He's cool too, actually. That's a good-looking dude right there. I'm sorry.
That's
man.
fucking
Good, man. You poor dude. I bet you leave in the morning. You
should take
does
them
a
out
little double
sometime,
take
Brody.
in the mirror.
Before I get out of the locker room.
That's right.
You said you
tell
want to take them to the locker room, bro?
Alright, you guys. Can you just do me a favor and sign this and you can be on your way, okay?
Yep.
You know,
Sign that right now.
Well, let me write down this info.
How you doing, Vigil?
Good, how you guys?
Look at these clowns. Hey, hold on. Oh wait, he's recording this. Hold on. Yeah, let's do it. You're right. Look at this clown.
That's right.
Look at his shoes.
You guys should have had those out already, man. Should have already been recording.
Look at this nigga's big ass camera.
Guy coming right back at you, Vigil. What is this?
Oh no, I don't mind.
Man, how do you feel about
I'm-
that?
I
How you
just
feel
want
about
them
that,
to
Vigil?
get the phone
How you feel about that, Vigil?
You guys can be famous now. You're gonna be viral. There you go. You can be viral. Alright, can you go and sign? Alright, guys. I'm gonna tell Gianna I'm mad at her. Then you're.
Hey, let me get a thumbnail. Give me a thumbs up.
Hey, here's a good thumbnail. Here's a good thumbnail.
Let's do it, nigga.
Right on, dude.
Alright, so.
Appreciate it. What'd they give you for? Trespass? Huh?
Yeah, some shit like that.
I'll give you a copy. I would
What?
fill out it out, but here, go right here.
Just my name?
Yeah, just your name.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Last name too?
Yeah. So, alright. Thank you.
Hi, Frank. Hey, you see your video?
Oh my god. Thank you, Sarah. You
Have a good one, man.
Have a good day, okay?
All right, you too.